Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by protecting data and equipment. Backup or clone the drive now because hardware work can fail. Once done, power down the desktop, unplug the PSU and press the case power to bleed capacitors. Make sure to ground yourself with a strap or by touching chassis metal. Next, open the case and locate the storage bays and M2 slots. You need to confirm the SSD form factor 2. 5. SATA versus M2 NVMe, so you know which connector and screws you'll use. Now remove the SSD carefully. Unscrew the 2. 5 bracket or the small M2 standoff screw and slide the module out at a slight angle. Once extracted, inspect the SATA or NVMe connector and PCB for bent pins, debris, or broken components. Clean contacts gently with compressed air and avoid liquids. If the drive looked fine, reseat it into the correct slot or bay, secure screws snugly but not over-tightened, and reconnect data and power cables to ensure. Finish by closing the case, reconnecting power, and booting to BIOS/UEFI to verify the SSD is detected and properly set in the boot order. If using NVMe, enable the proper controller mode. If the SSD is not detected, power down and try another SATA port, different cable, or another M2 slot, or temporarily install the drive in a different PC to isolate motherboard versus SSD failure. If detected but unstable, run smart and vendor diagnostics, and consider firmware update or warranty RMA if tests fail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.